Sun Life Assure, pag-usapan natin. 4 phrases or words. Term, non-participating, 5-year renewable, and 2-in-1. Una, term. Ang life insurance product na ito ay nagbibigay ng coverage up to age 70. Second, non-participating. Mostly, traditional plan gives dividends to the policyholder. Pero since non-participating, wala tayong matatanggap na dividends. Ano ba yung dividends? Ito yung profit share ng mga plan holder mula sa insurance company. Pangatlo, 5-year renewable. Ibig sabihin, on the 6th year, magre-renew tayo ng plan. Pero hindi natin kailangan mag-submit ng another medical questionnaire. Kung ano yung medical questionnaire natin on the onset or settlement of this policy, yun na rin ang gagamitin until ma-reach ang age 70. And every renewal, may konting changes or adjustment sa annual premium. Pang-apat, 2-in-1. 2-in-1 kasi meron na itong life insurance and critical illness. So whichever comes first, ang full benefit ay makukuha kapag nakuha na alinman sa dalawa na to. For example, meron kang 15 million na life insurance coverage or critical illness. And na-diagnose ka ng any of the covered illnesses na i-discuss natin mamaya. So kapag nagkaroon na ng claim, ibibigay na ang full benefit or ang 15 million. Meron pa bang matatanggap for death benefit ang mga beneficiary? Wala na. Kasi naibigay na ng insurance company ang kabuuan o 100% ng benepisyo na nakasulat sa plan na ito. If you are ages 18 to 60 years old and you want to have a life insurance and critical illness coverage, pwede ka na magpa-quote at pwede ka makover up to 15 million pesos. Ang minimum coverage is 500,000 and you can be covered up to age 70. Tingnan naman natin ang mga covered illnesses. Nandiyan ang heart attack, stroke, cancer, kidney failure, dissecting aortic aneurysm, and end-stage lung disease, progressive muscular atrophy, major burns, multiple sclerosis, paralysis, total blindness, loss of limbs, aplastic anemia, bacterial meningitis, benign brain tumor, deafness, encephalitis, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, progressive bulbar palsy, meningeal tuberculosis, cerebral metastasis, loss of speech, coma, Parkinson's disease, terminal illness, medullary cystic disease, Alzheimer's disease, fulminant hepatitis, major head trauma, end-stage liver failure, motor neuron disease, Guillain-Barré syndrome. Kapag ikaw ay na-diagnose ng any of these critical illnesses from 1 to 32, pwede nang maklaim ang coverage. Yun nga, kung 15 million, ibibigay na ng insurance company ang pera at mateterminate na ang kontrata. Meron ding covered na illnesses requiring surgery. Yun sa first 32 upon diagnosis, pero this last 4 illnesses, kailangan i-advise ng physician na kailangan ng surgery. Ito ang major organ transplant, coronary artery bypass surgery, surgery of disease of the aorta, and replacement of the heart. So these are the 36 illnesses na covered ng plan na ito. Ikaw ay merong family history ng any of these illnesses pero wala pang diagnosis, pwede ka na mag-apply para meron ka pang chance na ma-approve, and once approved, at syempre kailangan mo i-declare na meron kang family history, covered na ang any of these illnesses. To give you an idea, magkano ba ang annual premium? Once a year lang magbabayad for male non-smoker and female non-smoker ages 20 to 55. Kung male, it is 4,925 up to 18,320. Kung female naman is 4,850 to 13,750 4. Life insurance or critical illness benefit of 500,000 pesos plus accidental death benefit of additional 500,000 pesos plus total disability benefit. So kasama na to sa premium, wala na additional na babayaran para makuha ang TDB. Para kanino ba ang plan na to? Sa lahat. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, 18 to 60, magpa-quote na kayo nang ma-check nyo kung mag-fit sa budget nyo, even the 500,000 pesos. Bakit? Sa panahon ngayon, instant na ang kinakain. Then, ang lifestyle natin talaga, less exercise, more work, less sleep, yung mga kailangan natin na basic, hindi natin maibigay sa katawan natin, kaya malaki ang chance na mag-deteriorate yung health natin. Kaya habang malakas pa tayo, wala pa tayong nararamdaman, wala pang diagnosis, magpa-quote na tayo ng mai-align na natin sa budget natin yung annual premium. Nakita nyo naman, sobrang baba ng annual premium, very affordable, pero malaki yung coverage. And also, if you are a breadwinner, a parent, a family member na ayaw mong magkaroon ng burden yung pamilya mo, kung sakali na ma-diagnose ka ng any of the critical illness na na-mention kanina, especially sabi ko nga kung meron tayong medical history of these illnesses pero wala pang diagnosis, pa-quote na tayo, i-align na natin sa budget natin kasi no one knows, life happens. Kapag nangyari yun, magkano lang na ilabas natin? Kung nasa age 40 tayo, female, 6,610, meron na tayong 500,000 na coverage. Protected na yung pera natin. Hindi natin kailangang one time maglabas ng 500,000 pesos. Just 6,610. Meron na tayong aasahan sa insurance company na makiklaim just in case magkaroon tayo ng diagnosis of any of the 32 illnesses or the 4 illnesses that is requiring surgery.